We have cesium 137 and strontium. I think I said that right. 90 are two radioactive chemicals that were released at Chernobyl nuclear reactor in April 1986. Half-life of cesium 137 is 30.22 years. Strontium is 90 is 28.8 years. And what year will the amount of cesium 137 be equal to zero point zero 0.01 of what was released? Answer this question for strontium 90. Okay, so it's just we're doing the same thing for both. So essentially, what's going on here is first we want to figure out the half-life of each one. So the half-life of cesium is going to be equal to 1/2 times 1 times E, or just E raised to the K, and it said 30.22 years. For strontium, it's going to be 1/2 equals E K times 28.8. All right, so then what happens here is we take the natural log of both sides for both of these equations. And what we end up with is natural log of 1/2 is equal to 30.22 times K. So we get for cesium, K is equal to natural log of 1/2 divided by 30.22. And for strontium here, strontium 90, we get K is equal to natural log of 1/2 divided by 28.8. All right. So for this, K is going to be equal to 241. And this is going to be equal to okay. You know what? I didn't do these right. This should be I got my notes mixed up. All right. So now what we do is I'm going to start off with cesium, so 0.01%. So it's going to be 0.01 y sub naught, that's the amount that started out with, times y sub naught, e raised to the, now we have our k value, which is going to be negative 0.0229 times the time. How long does it take? So the y's cancel out, and then we're going to take the natural log of both sides, so 0.01, and the natural log of e is just 1, so we have negative 0.0229t, divide through by negative 0.0029t, or just negative 0.0029, and we end up with t for, this is cesium. Time for that to occur is going to be equal to approximately 201 years, round up. And we're going to go ahead and do the exact same thing for strontium 90. It's going to be natural log. I'm just skipping ahead here on steps. The only difference is the the k value is equal to negative 0.0241 t. So t is going to be equal to approximately, I'll get up my it just works better with x. 191 years. Right there. We'll just round down. So approximately 191 years for strontium 90. And that's it. All right. I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching. You have a great day.